Welcome to today's video on binary search, an efficient searching technique based on the divide and conquer approach. Imagine a teacher has roll numbers arranged in sorted order and wants to find a specific roll number from the list. Consider an array of ID numbers arranged in sorted order, where a teacher searches for the ID number 123. One way to find a roll number is by using linear search, where each element is checked one by one from the beginning. The roll number 123 has been found, therefore, the linear search stops because the required element has been located. If the required element is not found early, linear search continues until the end of the list, making it inefficient for large datasets. In linear search, the worst-case time complexity is big O of n. Binary search is more effective because it reduces the search time by half at every step. Binary search should be used when the data is sorted, supports random access, and when fast searching is required for large datasets. Binary search starts with a sorted list. It finds the middle element and compares it with the target value. If the target is smaller, it searches the left half. If the target is greater, it searches the right half. This process repeats until the element is found or the list becomes empty. Consider a library storing book ID numbers in sorted order. A student wants to find book ID 45892. Here, target is 45,892 and middle element is 40,123. Since the target value is greater than middle element, we search the right subarray. The list is divided again, and the process continues until the target element is found. The element is successfully found at index 4. This slide shows the iterative version of binary search, which repeatedly narrows down the search range using a loop. This slide demonstrates the recursive approach, where the function calls itself on smaller subarrays. The time complexity of binary search is big O of log n, making it much faster than linear search. The space complexity depends on whether the approach is iterative or recursive. Conclusion: binary search is an efficient searching algorithm that works on sorted data, using the divide and conquer technique. It significantly reduces search time and can be implemented using both iterative and recursive methods.